here we go. Let's see what we got. Massive move here on NWE. New could take a nice. Take that test straight there. So let's see what it wants to do. So massive move. Went up here, rejected. First candle being high, rejected, rejected twice. Bounced off this gap. Let's come around here now. Nice bottoming wicks here. We got an attempt to break the high, rejected. Now we got this whole move here. We gotta see where do we find an area of support. So let's see where this pullback candle is going to be. Hopefully 40s. If not, gap and go through 80s. Oh my gosh, there it is. 80s. It's a little, yep, 80s. Back to 90s. Not as clean. Just to pull back to 60s, went up to 80s. This holding though, this holding 6. Alright, now we're gonna have to wait and see. So it wants to keep going 622. To take some more size on this because it's just moving like crazy. Back to 60. So it's this area that's got a lot of volume. This area right here. So it kept absorbing so much. 90s. So hence there is a breakdown. I would see 60 to 17. If it doesn't, I think maybe 622, 620. Next candle making you high over 620. Quite possibly. STKH also moving here. So maybe I'm looking for something under 60. There it is, 45, 30, back over 50. There it is, back over 50, 40, 30. I want to see what this next candle is going to do. We've seen a lot of these where it just go up and down, straight down. So waiting for the next candle here. Okay, I'll get in here. So, dang it. I'm getting caught in that same nonsense. Oh, that sucks. So I got caught there for a little bit. So it might be a little bit lower there. So low that is 25. Back to 50. Got 50 maybe a little too early. Low that is 25. So now it did that. So maybe let's see 40s. Yep. I like this better now. So let's see it, 49. We're gonna try one more time here, see if we can get that move. 63, 70, 49. Stop me out one time, maybe that's what I needed to do. Get down there and then finally get this reclaim. So it's gonna stop, it's gonna be tight. Ideally it wants to go here. So we want to see that green push. Though that candle is 46. It wants to be volatile. 70. Nice. 80. Cool. So got it out. 70 and 77. Nice. Let's see if we can get this here. Ah. So he's going to keep going there. Very nice. So candle new high, perhaps, over 80. Oof. Nice. Candle new high over 80 was sweet. This thing is strong. That's very good. That's very good. So what do we got here now? We got a low there. New candle here, 33. So now let me see. So now 33. We ought to wait for even if it's a pullback, it'll be a pullback under this candle's 590, or we're going through it 533. $530s, perhaps $540s. So let's see. Yeah, depends where it goes. I might take it. I wish it could go under 6 and get that reclaim back to 6. That would be a sweet, sweet trade. So we got this move here. The Momo came in there, but it failed. Okay, 60s, 80s. 44 seconds though, still left on this. 80s. This thing is bouncy. This thing is really bouncy, huh? So 1392, 80s, 90s. See what this next channel is going to do. That's going to tell me direction wise. There you go. Reclaim over 6 could be good here. Now there's getting stacked a little bit at 6, so algos seem to be putting pressure at 6. Are we going to break through that pressure at 6? Nice, 603, 6. Might take a first candle new high here. Depends how aggressive. Oh my goodness, yes. The first candle new high over 610, 612, 610, 12, over 620 basically. Hmm. Maybe not the setup yet. There's going to be one more move, it seems like, on this. No, that's way. I should have. There was a nice dip down here, 70s. Oh my gosh, there you go, 620. Ooh, Algo's got. Algo's just hit that thing so hard. Okay, now I'm gonna take the first candle new high. 100% I'm gonna take the first candle new high. Let's see. 40 seconds. If this thing is gonna do it, first candle new high is gonna go for it. Let's see. There's a lot of volatility here and a lot of momentum. Algos try to really push this through. Got smacked down, went all the way down to 72. So shorts added aggressively here. So now looking for the next candle to make a new high. Hopefully it can hold and absorb liquidity. I mean, this area from the beginning, 90s, has been so much liquidity. I do want to take something here because I think the first candle new high is going to be huge. I do think the first candle new high is going to be huge. So I'm going to take 200. Shoot. Took 200 there, thinking it'll work. Got out there. Sadly, that didn't work. I'm thinking it's going to hold, but now this is better. Down there, 36. That was I got a little carried away there. I think I only took 200. 80. So here, I think first candle new high could still work. 5 minute looks all right. Let's see, what's this low? 35, 36. Here we go. Okay, it tried to make a new low, it failed. Oh no, it didn't fail. Is it gonna fail? Low 44. Try to make a new low. $5.50. $5.50 has to be there. If this thing goes up to $5.50, I need to see some volume through this. Might be a little lower, but $5.50 could be good. There it is, $5.50. Let me see a retest. 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 Let me see a retest, brother. Come on. Retest. No, no retest. That's it. Looks like it went pretty quickly. This thing is just gonna go, huh? Might be too early. So I come back down again. There you go. So I need to do it again. So shorts got in here one more time. So I was gonna try to make a new low. Make a new low here. It's 59. Oh, over 90. Sure don't have the strength to do it. And stay patient here. Okay, 880 could be good here. Um, have to be a little quick there. Not ready yet. It's not ready yet. It's not ready yet. I should have seen a drop here, try to make an attempt at a new low. Have that little gap right there, 6. Over 6 is the key level if it wants to really do it. Otherwise, we're going to have to see a drop here. So it rejected there. Might see, we're going to see a new candle low now. Low, this is 76. Try attempting it at a new low. $20 left. Okay, it's holding pretty tight now. It's holding tight like here, here. 4 seconds, okay. This is clear that we might get a, it's 50-50 here, over 6, or it's going to be under this. There's 76. And to be honest, the volume isn't on my favor, so we might get it over 6. It's really undecisive right now. The algos are waiting to be triggered. Watch. The algos are waiting to be triggered. I'm watching the tape. Yep. Might be triggered down there. Nope. 76. We gotta get under 76. Two seconds. Yeah, let's do it. Nope. Ah, got baited into that. Got baited into it. Almost 10 cents there. Gotta leave that alone. I thought it was going to go there. The volume was looking good. First candle new high. I'll try it a different time. At this point, it needs to. We need to see a new low. Let's try to see a new low. There's the low. Now we're gonna have to see this back over 70. Low that was 60. Back to 70, 90. Yep, 88. I'll get in here. Basically 90. Okay. 94, 95. I need to see this sort of very quickly here. Sizing down. Now. No, I need to size down. Ah, it's not gonna do it, is it? Yeah, I need to get out of here. It's fighting, but it's not gonna do it. Get out. All right, we're gonna call it here. We're gonna be down 57 bucks. You know what? Yesterday could have been also 57 bucks. Wait. No, yeah, yesterday. Yeah, it could also have been 50. Wait, is this a problem here? Okay, there you go. Yesterday could have been 57 bucks. But we took, no, what the heck? There's a bug going on here. Let me see. There you go. All right. So yesterday could have been 57 bucks. 52, but we took one last trade that really ruined it. This was 50. Oh, there's a bug here. What's going on? That's kind of annoying. A little bug here. All right. Anyway, let's go back here. Let's start over. There you go. So that's right. 57 bucks down. So, well, what I was trying to say, it's like these 3 days could have kept it at 50s, 60s, but this one got out of hand a little bit. So that's not nice. So let's go back here and here. So let's see. First trade we took was this one. Yeah, so off the lows, misread this area. Looking too much into price action. I didn't actually think about the algos that are in play. So misread that. Then captured the next one at 49.50. That was nice. And then what did I do here? 200 shares. That was kind of a silly trade, honestly. I was trying to catch the lows here of this like volatility. I'm thinking there's going to be a reclaim here, but it didn't come. 200 shares losing 50 bucks. That was kind of dumb. I need to avoid stuff like this and not get baited. Next, I got this trade here, actually. Let me expand this. Then I got baited here. First candle to make a new high. I thought it would come really quickly, but it didn't. I got caught on that, sadly. Then I got another trade here, 92 after. I should have gotten it down here. I should have gotten it like 60s, 70s, honestly. Went down to 60s, 70s should have been a quick entry, right? Yeah, because it reclaimed so fast. So 70s, quick entry, and then basically trying to look for the next candle while exiting maybe in the 90s. I should have been exiting on the 90s, not buying the 90s, but I thought it would keep going strong. So got some out there, got some out here. Eventually, that was 1K size too. I was going pretty hard on it. Anyway, lost almost 6 cents per share. Yeah, whatever. But the good thing about it is like when we hit it well and we know where exactly to pick it up. Here we should have picked it up in the 40s or maybe 30s, 35, mid 35s, and then that will be the big move. Yeah, sadly we didn't pick it up there. I gotta rewatch the tape. But anyway, that's it for me. Come over to Mr. Profit, create your account. Month's gonna be over. Well, let's see everything into perspective, right? The perspective, we got all this going on. And the nice thing about it is it's just going to be a tight little month. It's not going to be a big deal. We are profitable in the year, so that's good. We got to keep that going. The month's going to end, and it's going to end red, most likely. So come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, select the trading analysis tool. Sorry, yeah, we have a trading analysis tool. You can just select the broker, add your file, and you'll hit free analyze. You'll get this view. Check out the rest of our features, really awesome features. Trusted by the community, testimonials, very nice. $5 a month, 50 a year. See you tomorrow for last day of the month.